So everybody loves a bargain. When it comes to protecting a beloved senior, you don't want to skimp on their safety just to save a few bucks. Now, many people do save by using Consumer Cellular, a low-cost phone company that caters to seniors. In fact, I reviewed a few of their phones, as well as the GrandPad, a tablet for seniors. Well, Consumer Cellular has announced a medical alert device, the Iris Ally, which offers service at just $25 a month. Now, that's a good deal for a home medical alert device that plugs into your existing landline at home. But the Iris Ally is a portable device that works anywhere in a nationwide cellular system, which usually costs more than home-based devices. And that service price, well, that includes fall detection, which other companies offer as an expensive option. So getting all that means $25 a month is a steal. Today we'll be reviewing, demonstrating, and testing this new on-the-go system from Consumer Cellular, designed to protect active seniors, whether they're home or out enjoying themselves. And with the savings from cheaper safety service, well, they'll enjoy themselves even more. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.Org. I often review medical alert devices to see if they can help seniors to age in place and live independently while providing loved ones some valuable peace of mind. Well, let's welcome to the party this second iteration of the Iris Ally Emergency Response System, which offers universal protection for less than the competition. I'll see how quickly you can call for help and whether it's worth its lower price. Because what good is it to save a few bucks on a medical alert system if it doesn't save your mom? It's completely natural that you worry when your aging parent goes out without you, even if they live with you and you get to spend a lot of time together. A portable medical alert system can reduce that concern, knowing that they can summon help at the touch of a button. Now, have you ever felt ill or woozy and dialed 911 on a cell phone? It's not that easy, especially if you're in pain and stress levels are high. And that option isn't available if mom doesn't carry a cell phone 24/7 or if mom's knocked herself out. Now, the Ally can easily connect seniors to help, whether it's an ambulance, police, or firefighters. In fact, with its built-in fall detection, the Ally can call for help even if mom can't. No matter your age or physical condition, nobody can call 911 when they're unconscious. So watch me unbox the Iris Ally from Consumer Cellular. Hey everyone, I'm wearing orange today. You know what that means? New product from Consumer Cellular. But this time it's not a phone. It's a medical alert system. And that makes sense because Consumer Cellular caters to the older crowd. So let's see what happens when I unbox this. User guide, some paperwork. And here's the device itself. Comes on a lanyard. It comes with a belt clip. And then here's the charging cradle. So I'm going to plug this in, charge this guy up, and we're going to test it out. Now check out the size of this bad boy. It's just 2.5 inches tall. Now let's compare that to my earbud case. It's just about as long, but half as thick. So it's tiny, it's light, about 1.5 ounces. And if mom complains about the size or the weight, well, she's just looking for excuses not to wear it. And if she says she doesn't want to ruin her hairdo pulling it over her head, well, show her how the breakaway lanyard is magnetized, so she won't have to. And yes, my mom still calls it her hairdo. Now the charging here couldn't be simpler. While other medical alert devices need a wire connecting the plug and charger, there's no wires here. The wall plug is attached directly to the charging cable. So it's all one piece. And this little light here, well, indicates the charging cradle is plugged in. That's a handy feature. Also, the Ally only fits one way in the cradle. If you try putting it the wrong way, well, it just won't take it. And if you do it the right way with the button facing out, the Ally lets you know that it's charging. It'll also let you know when it's fully charged, which takes about 2 hours. This light here will be blue. And if it's blinking blue, that means it's ready and actively monitoring. Now to check the battery level, there's a little button on the side here. You simply press the button. Listen carefully.
Battery, okay.
So that's nice. So having a second button does take away from its simplicity, but it's hard to mix the two up. The battery test button is small and located on the side, while this emergency call button is front and center. It's larger, it's got a picture of a phone on it, and it's even marked with SOS and Braille. Besides these two buttons, this We Wonder also includes both GPS and Wi-Fi location technologies that minimize the time needed to find a person in distress. Even if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, it'll use nearby Wi-Fi networks to find you quickly. Now, you can't have a battery test button without a battery. Consumer Cellular says the battery in there will last 24 to 48 hours, but it's best to charge it overnight. So it's water resistant, means you can wear it in the shower where so many accidents happen to seniors, but you don't want to submerge it as it's not waterproof. And besides the speaker and microphone, the Iris Ally also manages to squeeze in built-in fall detection. Now, if mom wants to call for help, she simply presses and holds the big emergency button until she hears the unit respond. The Ally will connect her through a cellular signal with one of their accredited US-based call centers, which are open around the clock. And there, trained professionals will contact first responders such as EMTs, police, or firefighters, whatever you need. Let's try it.
Calling the emergency call center.
I tested the Ally's response time twice and got very different results.
Hello, this is emergency call center. Is this your initial test call?
Yes, just testing the system, thank you.
Hello, this is emergency call center. What's the location of your emergency?
I'm just testing the system, thank you. So if the operator can't hear you, they'll call your designated phone number to check up on your well-being, and if you need help, they'll send the emergency services you need to the location of the device, and they'll notify your caregiver. And thanks to the built-in GPS system, well, it should be able to pinpoint mom's location even if she can't communicate or doesn't know where she is. If a user accidentally presses a button reaching their purse or pocket, it's no biggie. While it's beeping, you simply hold the button again for 5 seconds and it cancels the alarm, like this.
Calling the emergency call center.
Let's see, let me cancel it out. So for the device to work, to protect mom, she needs to learn to wear this wherever she goes, as well as home, even in the shower where many seniors have suffered injuries. And she needs to keep it charged. At the end of the day, she can put it in the cradle on a nightstand, and it'll function like a home medical alert system while it's
Charging.
So what's all this protection cost? Well, this is where things get really good. The Ally costs a flat fee of $89, and that's quite low for a cellular portable system. But if that's too big a bite for your budget, you could pay the $89 over 2 years with no additional interest charges. You'd only pay $17 up front, and then an additional $3 a month for 24 months. For the service, you have to pay a monthly fee of just $25. And while most medical alert devices charge an extra monthly fee of $10 or more for fall detection, well, Consumer Cellular includes that in their $25 fee, making this a great price for people who are on a tight budget. Instead of trying to upsell you with various options and add-ons, Consumer Cellular actually offers a discount for AARP members, knocking another $1.25 from the already low monthly fee. So if you're a cost-conscious senior who wants additional safety when you go out, well, the Iris Ally seems worth a try, especially if you want fall detection. So 2 facts I believe are worth mentioning. Consumer Cellular has a good history catering to seniors, but not much of a medical alert track record. And the call centers utilized, they're not owned by the company, so they're not under Consumer Cellular's direct control, and they may change. If you do try this device, well, let us know what you think. Maybe I'll even interview you in a future video. And for more products to help you age with ease, visit SeniorLiving.Org, where you can find and compare housing options for seniors, including assisted living, in-home care, and everything in between. And please, don't forget to join our community of 60,000 strong and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.